Hello guys, welcome to the next episode of cloth making on the pant. And now we'll do the micro detailing stuff over the pant. So let's go to sculpting mode and let's click the draw and also click the X axis mirror. Okay, so don't forget to click the X axis mirror or everything gonna be problems you have to do again on the other side. That's why I just say. So scale it down a bit like this way, and I'll make the strength more or less. I think around 2.3 maybe. It's okay. Maybe let's see. And also smooth one 2.5. Okay, let's go to draw and draw this thing. I think it's fine. And let's draw this way. Okay, and F2 scale it and shift and click to use the smooth brush also. So yeah, like this way we need to do it. uh Top to down of the pant of this line. So yeah, it's time consuming, I understand. Take your time, don't worry about it. I'm just trying to do it quickly for the tutorial, not to make the tutorial very bored. That's why. Like lot of process we do over here to make the 3D artwork looks good. So I know it's take time consuming work. Okay, now we have to do the other side also, like this way. Okay, and let's do it quickly. And yeah, we'll complete this one. Almost. And there is a lot of other area we also need to do this thing. So yeah, and also this thing, by practice you can do it more accurately. Okay, so this side is done, and also you see for what we do, activate the X axis mirror. So actually other side also have been done. So we'll do this thing also. Uh, Take that down like this way. That's this thing. Now we have to do the rest of other parts also. And I understand this taking time. Also in texturing time, it will take more time on this. So yeah, be patient. So let's do it. Let's complete this thing. Okay, other side also. So let's do this area. Okay, so this is done over here. Now let's do this area. This is the pocket one. That's right. And yeah, we have to do this area also. Go over here, go to back side of the pant. Now do this. Okay. So also we'll do the pocket area. Sorry about the noise. And like this way we'll do it. And then we'll take the draw sharp one, draw sharp brush, and scale it down like this way. Sorry, we have to click the pocket because we separate the pocket, and also go to sculpting mode, and it's turn on the multi-resolution modifier, and my draw sharp brush this way. Whatever you want to make the design, you make the that way. And I would like to do this thing also over here. I think I forgot to turn on the x-axis mirror, so I just do Control Z, and let's turn on this x-axis mirror. So yeah, sorry about that also. So yeah, I have to do this. You see, this is also made. Oh, I also have to do the draw sharp brush one, but yeah, I think it's not gonna affect that much. It's fine, fine, it's fine. Yeah, fine. So take the draw brush again, draw like this way. Whatever design you like, you can do it. I'm just doing a simple design from my head. I just take it. This design. Okay, so here I will turn off the, go to click the pen and go again in the sculpting mode and turn off the x-axis mirror and just do this thing uh, over here, and over here we do it this way, the drawing draw shot one, sorry, draw brush. Now we'll turn on the x-axis mirror also, so we'll do this thing of design and this shape over here. I will make the strength more high, so it will be proper. So yeah, and do this thing. For zooming out, because where I'm doing, just see this one I'm doing. Okay, so yeah, let's do this thing, complete this thing, and let's complete it. Hmm, yeah, I think almost complete. Hmm, I'm using mouse. If you're using the pen one, you can use it also, but for mouse it's also fine. Okay, I would like to do this thing also. So yeah, I'm doing it. Okay, great. So we have Okay, two more thing. Yeah, let's off the multi-resolution modifier. Let's click over here and let's apply it. Okay, um, and it's fine. This one you need to work a bit. Go in the edit mode, select everything, and uh, make this crease one to see for now. So go to edge mode, select this one, and let's X and dissolve the edges for now because we don't need it for now. That's why. And also we can delete the faces in inside because we don't need it. And X and delete the faces and go to edge mode again. Select these two edges. Okay, and also this, mm, this, and this one. Okay, so Control B to bevel it like this way. Okay, we forget this thing. Just Control Z, click this one and this one, and now Control B and bevel it like this way. Okay, and other side we also need to fix it. For G, push it inside a bit like this way, not too much, but a bit. Okay, now activate this one, the multi-resolution modifier, and you see, and also going to fix the other side. Let's select everything and do the same process. Symmetry, you see the other side also symmetry, and symmetry 1 plus x 2 minus x. Okay, so I think it's good now. And also smooth it out everything. Okay, so yeah, I think it's gonna be okay. And this t-shirt is okay also. Short one, we need to fix the location of this one. I think it's going to be here. But let's go to sculpting mode and fix it like this way. I use sculpting mode too much. So yeah, all this inside. Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, I think it's okay, the detailing work. But let's also do the go to pant also. Go to sculpting mode, click the draw one, and we'll do some more things over here. F and scale it like this way, and also take it around 1.9 or 1.5. Sorry, 0.19 or 0.15 around like this value you can take it. I just take it 0.167. So yeah. Okay, just zoom in and do this thing like the folds I'm trying to make to give some realism. Okay, also like this one, like this way. You can copy where I'm doing this, copy this way. Okay, here. Okay, looks good. Maybe a bit over here. We can give some folds over here and also in the back side. Not too much, but okay. So I think pant is fine, but we need to work on the t-shirt. Now go over here. I just noticed one thing. This thing need to extrude a bit, little bit, release and scale. Oh, I have to off the x-axis mirror like this and push it downside and then scale a little bit outside. And yeah, I think it's fine. And also two and click this one and this one, Control E and same. And let's go to UV editor. Also this one, let's do it a little bit over here. Extrude it into extrude it, scale it down like this way, and G and Z a bit, little bit. And also gonna do click this one, shift click this one and this one. Yeah, perfect. That's it. Select everything and you unwrap it again. So UV is now proper. Let's go to layout again. Click on this. Go to multi-resolution modifier and multi-resolution modifier. Let's do the sculpting, but let's do it on the next video because it's I think more than 15 minutes. So yeah, let's do it next video, the t-shirt and the shirt one, and then we'll make it the normal map, then we'll do some color ID thing and do the period texturing. Yeah, okay. See you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.